Unlock a world of earning potential by mastering the AliExpress affiliate program, your gateway to promoting global products and pocketing commissions. Let's dive right in and get you registered first. Head over to the AliExpress website. You'll need to locate the affiliate program link. This is often found at the bottom of the homepage in the footer section, usually under Work with Us or Partnership categories. Once you've found it, click on that link to be taken to the affiliate program's dedicated page here. You'll see information about joining. Look for a prominent Sign Up or Register Now button and click that. You'll be presented with a registration form. Fill this out accurately. You'll need to provide your basic personal details, a valid email address, and importantly, information about where you plan to promote AliExpress products. This could be your website, blog, YouTube channel, or social media profiles. Ensure these platforms are active and clearly showcase your promotional capabilities. After your application is submitted and approved, which can take a few days, you'll gain access to your affiliate dashboard. This is where the magic happens. You can browse millions of products and generate unique affiliate links for them. Simply find a product you want to promote and use the affiliate link generator within your dashboard. Now, let's talk promotion. Share these links strategically on your chosen platforms. Create compelling content like product reviews, unboxing videos, or curated shopping guides. Engage with your audience and naturally integrate your affiliate links, clearly disclosing them as such. Consistency and authentic recommendations are key to building trust and driving sales. Congratulations! You're now equipped to start your affiliate marketing journey with AliExpress. Happy promoting and happy earning!